Hey traders, welcome back to our look at the August results. So what we've done is we've optimized for the start of August as we did last month for July. So we're going to walk through that process now and just have a look at how August unfolds once we've done our initial optimization. So as we did with our last example, we're basically going to roll forward 1 week at a time and just have a look at how the results pan out with our optimization. Remember that we're optimizing stops, targets, trailing stops, etc. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our data window. We'll open that up, and we're going to have to do that twice obviously here. So we're keeping an eye on obviously the drawdown, the current drawdown. That's what we're looking for because we're manually assessing on a weekly basis the days of the week to make sure that we don't hit our circuit breaker of 1600, negative 1600, negative 5R. Remember 320 per trade is our risk, or $320 is our risk on this system. So let's roll forward and see how we go here. So week 1, we're tracking the P&L, and we're going to record that in our spreadsheet. And then so week 1 is 1150. We also have to keep an eye on the current drawdown, so we'll add 1150 to our spreadsheet here, and I'll put that in myself. And the other thing we want to do is just keep an eye on the days of the week, which we'll do as well. So I'll just open that up and let's go through it. So Monday looks good, no drawdown. Tuesday is 1 losing trade. Wednesday negative, no drawdown at all. Thursday no drawdown, and Friday no drawdown. So we're good as gold. So let's roll forward another week, and we want to keep tracking our P&L here. So we're week 2 into August. Things are looking pretty good as far as our profit. There's a great week, 2300. So we'll add that to our profit total, and we'll have a look at our, now surely we shouldn't have had too many losing trades in that week, you wouldn't think, because we've only had 3 trades, so, and 100% strike rate, so we haven't had any. So really we should be back at no current drawdown ideally, and we are Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so all good. So a great week on the system there with the new optimized settings, and we roll forward another week. And let's have a look here. Negative 300, so we've had 3 trades, 33% is our strike rate, negative 300, so that's okay. We'll add that into the tally, and we'll go through and have a look at what days of the week are taking a little bit of heat as far as our current drawdown. So Monday looks like 1 losing trade, Tuesday's okay, Wednesday's okay, Thursday 1 losing trade, Friday all good. So we're still within our required, or we're still well and truly fine with our days of the week drawdown. So we'll add another week. We're getting close to the end of the month here. We've got another week after this, and then we basically have to re-optimize. So another losing week, negative 360. So that's okay, negative 360. Now we want to see if there's any of the days of the week that need to be turned off for August. And let's have a look here. So Monday is 1 losing trade, Tuesday 1 losing trade, Wednesday's okay, Thursday is at negative 1020. So we really need to keep an eye on Thursday. Friday's good. So Thursday's getting close to our max drawdown, 1600, so we've got to really watch that and just be ready to turn that day of the week off if we get a situation where we need to. So let's roll forward 1 more week, and we'll go to our last week of August and see how we play out here. Great week, 1790 to finish off the week, which is awesome. So that gives us a total tally for August of 4580. So if we go to our spreadsheet here, which I'll do now, so we'll go to our spreadsheet here, 4580 is our profit for August. So at the moment we're clearly in front with our optimization for all settings optimized using genetic setting optimization, including days of the week, done weekly and on a manual basis. So that seems to be the most profitable so far. It's come out with week 2 as being the most profitable, so we're looking pretty good overall. So let's just drop that for a second, And let's have a look at our days of the week before we re-optimize. And we'll open the window up. So Monday looks good, Tuesday negative 340, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday's we've made a bit of an improvement there. We're down to negative 650, and Friday the current drawdown is negative 680. So that's okay. We're well within our max drawdown, so that's fine. So what we need to do now to round off August is to, because we're at the end of the month for August. Once a month we re-optimize, so we do that. We go to format strategies. As I said, it doesn't matter what strategy is. We're going to go in, optimize 0 to 1001, increments of 3 because it's a 3-minute chart. We'll do that again for our second time slot. We're going to optimize our stop. This one here, our increment's going to be 3. We could make that 1, so we might do that. And our target, we're going to re-optimize that 20 to 200 in increments of 2. Our ratio is important because that determines our ratio of profit, so we'll optimize that. Our trailing stop, so the minimum move before our trailing stop kicks in, negative 70 to 100, so that's okay. And our trailing offset, will re-optimize that as well, negative 100 to 30. And we want our moving average. I'm going to push this moving average length up to negative 50 to say 200, because the moving average really you're potentially wanting a actually no, that's not right. We'll optimize that. It should be negative 50 to say 20, because it's the offset. The length is the one that we would need the higher value, so 20 to 200, that's fine. We'll go okay. And now we're set to go. We've re-optimized our strategy. That's going to take around about an hour, so that's fine. And we'll let that kick away. So it does take a lot longer, obviously, but it's proving to be the better way to optimize the strategy. So we'll have a look at how our settings for August once this optimization is finished, and then we'll roll through and see how September. Now September, we already know, was a challenging month for this system without any optimization, so we'll see how we go as far as performance. But at the moment, so far, the optimizing all settings and then doing the manual weekly look at the days of the week is proving to be the most profitable. So I'm expecting that to continue as we go along. So I'll be taking you through that next process for September in our next video. Cheers.